We're back. Now, before we move on with the program, I mentioned last night that something kind of sad happened. And this is really true. Last week, no kidding, the guy who plays the Gaseous Wiener on our show, you might be aware of it, it's the flatulent hot dog. All right. Well, anyway, he broke his leg. That's right. And it's very sad. Thank you. 5 people went, aw. And he's going to be laid up for a few weeks. Here's a picture of the wiener in his apartment in Midtown Manhattan. He's in a lot of pain. He looks sad. If any of you want to send cards or letters to cheer the wiener up, here's the address. Write to Get Well Wiener, care of Late Night with Conan O'Brien, 30 Rockefeller Plaza Suite, 901 West, New York, 10112. And Gaseous, I'm talking to you right now, if you're watching. Hurry up, please, and get well, because your replacement is really not working out. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Belching Potato. See what I mean? It's not the same. So please, get well soon, Wiener. Thank you. You stop it. It's not working out. It's not the same.